Hey everybody, it's your old pal Brian Hunt, and welcome to another episode of 60 Seconds of Risk. I'm on assignment here in Austin, Texas. Probably can't tell because it looks like a standard self-storage unit, and that's what I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk about: coverage for your articles inside a self-storage unit. Like a lot of you, maybe you've got daughters or sons in college, maybe you got to move their stuff into the summer. This is actually the equivalent of both of my daughters, their entire belongings in this storage unit, or maybe you just got too much stuff at home, you need a separate storage unit, or you're moving from one house to part of the country, you just got to put some stuff in a unit for the time being. Now, that being the case, this is your property and it's exposed to fire, floods, perils, things of that nature, so you want to make sure it's properly insured. What are your options? Well, typically management like this will sell you insurance, and that's fine. It's probably not exactly a really competitive rate, and it may not have full coverage for what you think you might need. Like, it might have fire, but it may not have flood. So like any insurance policy you're getting, look at the details and make sure the perils that are included reflect where this location is and the potential things that could go wrong if you by chance lose your belongings. Also, you might not need insurance from a third party like this if you have homeowner's insurance. And let me give you an example. Most homeowners insurance have coverage for things that are off-site. However, there's a catch. It's a percentage of your belongings that you state on the value on your policy. Let me give you an example. Let's say on your homeowner's policy, you've got the home being insured, say for $500,000, but the belongings, the contents inside is insured, say $100,000. Well, what your policy might provide you coverage is typically a percentage of your contents at home off-site, and typically it's around 10%. So if you've got coverage for $100,000 on your home property and your belongings for the belongings at home at 100, capped at 100,000, what you're getting is roughly $10,000 worth of coverage off-site. And I think in this situation that would probably be fine. But know what your contents are, the values inside your unit, and does it provide you enough coverage based upon your home policy? Again, whatever the value of the policy's contents, it's a percentage that you're getting off-site. Key thing here, remember though, if you have very rare valuable things that are difficult to replace and not readily available in the open marketplace, like say rare collector baseball cards or fine art, shotguns, jewelry, be prepared. You're not going to get the coverage you need in just putting it in a storage unit. Special items like that need to be placed on a special personal items list. You want to have valuations, you want to have appraisals to justify that value. So key to the whys. If you've got a storage unit with valuables, just relying upon your home policy to extend to here, it's not going to work, because that whole process of evaluation of very rare things that are hard to replace, it doesn't work the same way. You want to have a specific personal items coverage for that, which we'll talk about on another episode. So again, if you've got off-site storage, think twice about what you put in here. Look at what the options are from the owner or the rental agency, because it might be fine, but it might have exclusions to the policy. But also think about if you've got proper coverage for the values based upon your home policy. Like all things, guys, look at the details, understand the perils, understand the exclusions to the policy to make sure you can make an informed decision. Like all things, guys, I hope you appreciate this. I hope you liked it. Certain topic or individual you want to see on this show, please post a note on LinkedIn. You can subscribe to this video, all my other videos on my home page at the YouTube channel. And you can also find links to this video on the website formerly known as Twitter, Facebook, and Substack. Until next time, guys. Bye.